Hello subscriber, today our topic is why should the plant engineer be worried about the power factor and what is the power factor problems in a power station and what is the losses of a power factor. So the effect of a low power factor or a high power factor. First we discuss about the effect of a low power factor. Why are the power engineers interested into the power plant factor? What the cause of a low power factor and how can it be improved? The objective of all these answers are that questions are briefly. Before we have a discuss about the power factor or an electrical engineering things, please subscribe my channel. Still not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel to keep support me and get the daily notification and press the bell icon. This article answers these questions are briefly and include the handy application information of a power factor problem. These effective of a low power operating system and the power could be very bad. In a summary, that the effect of a low power factor operating system power factor may be any of all following: overload cables and the transformer, increase the copper losses, include the voltage level resulting in a sluggish motor in the operation of a reduced illumination from limiting, especially where in the old incident lamps are used, and the increase of a power factor cost where the power factor causes or its an equivalent is a part of a structure and is enforced. Generally, the low power factor could be used to partially loaded, introducing the motor frequently drives and the hour motored. The motors are selected to the handle a large load but are usually operating at the less and then load. Means the main cause of a power factor is to control the line losses and the hysteresis losses, illumination losses and other losses are in a cables are in a transformer. There are also other power factor contributing in a low power factor, such as the replacement of an incidence lamp within the fluorescent lamp and using of a rectifier instead of a synchronous motor generator set or an DC suppliers, increase the installation in the various induction devices and the electronic equipment, air conditioning unit, etc. These are the devices which has been reduced within or replacing these devices to control the line losses of any electrical devices or any electrical system. The most of these changing or a replacement are in interested of a work comfort and efficiency and the low manufacturing costs and the technology advance that factor are contributing a low power plant factor is in a secondary important of a unfortunately. Means if the power factor will be low, the voltage will be low and the frequency will be low, then the plant frequency is very that power factor is used for the stable of a power supply to any electrical devices or any electrical system. As a power plant become a more complex, it can be accepted within the power plant factor will be become a proper less some corrective measures are taken important of a power factor and they reduce the power cost in the releasing of a capacity of a voltage level and the reducing the system loss. However, are too many reasons of improving the power factors. To reduce the power bill when there is a power factor incentive in the rate of causes. To increase the releasing electrical capacity of a power distribution system. Although the first to reduce the power bill and use the primary importance to the secondary and become a more important as an engineer recognized in economically and especially especially when a capacitor are used in a power factor improvement, because the electrical capacity released in the value surveillance time. These costs are capacitors. Two most common method of improving a power factor is a shunt capacitor or a synchronous motor. Each has been a own application using the capacitor method in economically synchronous motor in the fine data may many applications where the new large motor drives are added. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.